Hi, welcome to our virtual open house and welcome to Durham College. The virtual open house is going to provide you with videos and live chats, opportunities to meet our dedicated and very talented faculty and staff. It's also going to allow you to learn more about how we provide student services and support you from the time you register to the time you graduate. So we just want to say enjoy it. Do as much as you can while online. Ask us questions. We're here to help you. We're here to give you one of the best digital experiences that you've had.
Hello, and welcome to Durham College's Fall Virtual Open House.
Thank you so much for joining us today. My name is Marissa, and I am a Student Recruitment Officer here at Durham. If you are looking for information about our full-time programs and our programs through our Center for Professional and Part-Time Learning, you'll want to connect with the live sessions happening here today to connect with faculty members and current students. To find your program of interest, search for your program on this virtual open house website and click the Join Live Session button. Do you have questions about our student services?
We have student services here through the Meet Student Services Representatives tab.
As well, we do have a few set presentation times for some of these student services to talk about topics such as about living on campus and more.
You can find presentations through the Student Services Presentations tab.
We are also offering virtual tours. We have virtual tours every hour at 10:15, 11:15, and 12:15. Our virtual tour guides will lead you through the virtual tours of our campuses. As well, we do have self-guided virtual tours that you can watch at any time. Once you've had your questions answered, please go to the Next Steps tab to connect with our recruitment, admissions, international, and/or Center for Professional and Part-Time Learning teams to find out more about applying to Durham and your next steps to become a DC student.
Please be sure to visit the Win tab to enter your name into our draw for a chance to win a $5,000 tuition credit and other amazing prizes. For the most up-to-date information about how Durham College is handling the COVID-19 pandemic, please visit our website.
If you do have any questions regarding navigation and how to connect with different faculty, student services staff, and more, please feel free to connect with us today via the live chat function on this website, and we're happy to help navigate you.
On behalf of everyone at Durham College, thank you for attending this fall virtual open house event. We hope you will join us for an in-person campus tour in the coming weeks to complement this virtual open house event. You can also connect with the DC community in upcoming webinars and program information sessions. We're so happy to have you join us today, and we hope this event shows you how we are leading the way at Durham College.